Ayan. Hello mga kabongga, yung kasama natin of course, Kelvin Miranda. Congrats Kelvin, chances are you and I. Kamusta katrabaho si Kira Balina?
Magaling siyang actress and journalist. And meron siyang tinatawag na yung respect sa kung ano man yung kailangan niya gawin bilang co-actors. So, journalist at mahal niya yung craft.
Enjoy kayong dalawa?
Of course, kasi habang ginagawa naman namin yan, meron namang guidance ni Direct. So,
nasa na yung ano mo, kumay mo wala?
Thankful din na na-experience ko maka-work. So, alam ko din na naman.
Yeah. Pa-invite na lang.
So ayun, everyone, I'm Kelvin Miranda and I'm inviting you to watch our Chances Are You and I, May 29 in cinemas Nation.
Nation.
So maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Iho mo interview naman